Welcome back to another Almost Outdoors. Today I'm going to do the Mentos and Diet Coke. I've never done this before. I don't know if you have or not, but I'm going to try and see how it works today. I'm also going to show you how to do a prank with a piece of string and a Mentos. What you do is you put a tiny nail on the end of it and gently tap it the whole way through. Feed your string the whole way through, a piece of twine, fishing line, whatever you want to put in there. And I'll show you how it's done. It already wants to blow up on me. So you have to unscrew the cap for this prank. Put the Mentos on the string, hanging right there. You take the cap, gently screw it back on till it's right there. And I'll show you what this looks like. Have the string hanging out at the top of it. You cut that string off, so when somebody opens it up, no string hanging out. I got a little bit here because it's just demonstration purposes. May not soak this one. So when somebody opens it up, they get a nice, fun, interesting thing. Check it out. You can't run away from that. I mean, it's everywhere. Generally, they take the cap off, but let's have to sit. It's not too bad. For the next demonstration, I'm going to take all these Mentos that I have, and I'm going to drop every single one down into it and see how high it can shoot up. Getting out of the way first before I get totally soaked. That's why I have this old raggedy sweatshirt on. I think I got it. Yeah, I'd say I went about 10 feet in the air. Don't try this at home, kids. Full disclaimer. Then you end up getting a little bit of wet and nasty in the process. Thanks for watching another episode of Almost Outdoors. Thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you next time. See ya!